Health is wealth. This age-old adage rings truer than ever in today's fast-paced world. We often find ourselves juggling multiple responsibilities, leaving little time for self-care. However, neglecting our well-being can have detrimental effects on our physical, mental, and emotional health. A personal health and wellness plan acts as a roadmap, guiding us towards a healthier and happier life. A well-crafted plan empowers us to take control of our health. It provides a structured approach to identify areas for improvement and set realistic goals. Moreover, it helps us stay motivated and accountable throughout our wellness journey. Remember, health is not merely the absence of disease, but a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Creating a personal health and wellness plan is a journey of self-discovery. It requires introspection, planning, and consistent effort, but the rewards are immeasurable. By investing in our well-being, we invest in a brighter future filled with vitality and joy. So let's embark on this transformative journey together and unlock our full health potential. Before embarking on any journey, it's crucial to know your starting point. The same principle applies to our health. A thorough self-assessment helps us understand our current health status, identify areas for improvement, and set realistic goals. Think of it as taking inventory of your well-being. Begin by reflecting on your lifestyle habits. How often do you engage in physical activity? What does your diet typically consist of? Do you prioritize sleep? These are just a few questions to ponder. Several tools and assessments can provide valuable insights into your overall health. Consider using the Domains of Wellness assessment. This comprehensive tool evaluates various aspects of well-being, including physical, emotional, social, and spiritual health. Once you've identified areas for improvement, be honest with yourself about any obstacles or challenges you might face. Remember, self-assessment is not about self-criticism. It's about gaining a clear understanding of your current health status to make positive changes. By acknowledging our strengths and weaknesses, we can set realistic goals and create a plan that aligns with our individual needs and aspirations. Now that we've assessed our current health, it's time to set our sights on improvement. Goal setting is an essential aspect of any health and wellness plan. It provides direction, motivation, and a sense of accomplishment as we progress. However, not all goals are created equal. To maximize our chances of success, we need to set SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break down each element. A specific goal clearly defines what you want to achieve. Instead of saying, I want to eat healthier, a specific goal would be, I want to incorporate 2 servings of fruits and vegetables into my daily diet. A measurable goal allows you to track your progress and stay motivated. For instance, instead of aiming to exercise more, set a goal to walk for 30 minutes, 5 days a week. Achievable goals are realistic and attainable within your current lifestyle. Don't set yourself up for failure by aiming for something overly ambitious. Relevant goals align with your values and overall health objectives. Ask yourself why this goal is important to you and how it will contribute to your well-being. Lastly, time-bound goals have a specific deadline. This creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay on track. Section 4. Building your plan, nutrition, exercise, and more. With clear goals, we can move on to the exciting part. Building our personalized health and wellness plan. Think of this plan as a roadmap to guide you towards your desired destination, optimal health. Your plan should encompass key areas of well-being including nutrition, exercise, stress management, sleep, and preventive care. Let's start with nutrition. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of good health. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Small changes can make a big difference. Next, let's talk about exercise. Regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, and boosting our mood. Find activities you enjoy and make them a part of your routine. It could be as simple as going for a brisk walk, cycling, swimming, or dancing. Stress is an inevitable part of life, but chronic stress can take a toll on our physical and mental health. Incorporate stress management techniques into your routine. Mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, and spending time in nature are all effective ways to alleviate stress. Section 5. Maintaining momentum, implementation, and beyond. Congratulations on creating your personalized health and wellness plan. Now comes the most crucial part, putting your plan into action and staying committed. Remember, consistency is key. Make gradual changes to your lifestyle rather than trying to overhaul everything at once. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 new habits into your routine and gradually build from there. It's also essential to find a support system. Share your goals with family or friends who can encourage and motivate you. Consider joining a fitness class or finding a workout buddy to stay accountable. Track your progress regularly. This will help you stay motivated and make adjustments to your plan as needed. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Remember, setbacks are a normal part of the journey. If you slip up, don't be discouraged. Just get back on track as soon as possible. View your health and wellness plan as a living document that evolves with you. Regularly review and adjust your goals and strategies as your needs and circumstances change.